Hi everyone, today I want to show you the page with the salary reports in a Clodify system. So we are going to log in as an admin. We need to go to financials salaries page, and here we can see the salary reports. What we can do on this page, we can actually check the list of the salary reports here. What we can do with each of the reports, we can edit the download spreadsheet and download PDF of this report. In the edit page, we can see the salary list. We can also create the salary list here to create the new one and save. And also we can edit and delete all of them, like here. Edit something, any information that you need, and save. And also create salary list. As I said, the same information, you just add a new salary list and save it. And what we also can do with the salary reports, we can create a new report. We need to click on the green button, create report, and add the information about like what months do we need, save it, and add then the report we actually need. So when we will add it, it will appear here in the salary reports page. So these are the actually data what we can see on the salary reports and actions that we have.